Welcome to our graphics card showdown. Today, we are diving deep into the features and performance of two powerful contenders. The XFX Speedster SWFT 210 Radeon RX 6600 and the GIGABYTE Radeon RX 7800 XT. With the RX 6600 priced at $279, it aims to deliver solid performance for budget-conscious gamers, while the RX 7800 XT, priced at $499, promises high-end performance for serious gamers. Let's see how they stack up against each other in terms of specifications, cooling solutions, and gaming capabilities. When it comes to performance, the XFX Speedster SWFT 210 Radeon RX 6600 is designed for 1080p gaming, providing decent frame rates in most titles. However, it struggles with higher resolutions due to its 8GB VRAM. On the other hand, the GIGABYTE Radeon RX 7800 XT excels at 1440p and even 4K gaming, thanks to its robust 16GB VRAM and powerful GPU architecture, making it a better choice for gamers looking for high-resolution experiences. Cooling is crucial for maintaining performance during intense gaming sessions. The XFX Speedster SWFT 210 utilizes a dual-fan design that offers adequate cooling but can run hotter under load. In contrast, the GIGABYTE Radeon RX 7800 XT features the WindForce 3X cooling system, which includes 3 fans that effectively dissipate heat, ensuring optimal performance even during the most demanding tasks. Price is always a significant factor for gamers. The XFX Speedster SWFT 210 is budget-friendly at $279, making it an attractive option for those looking to game at 1080p without breaking the bank. However, the GIGABYTE Radeon RX 7800 XT comes with a premium price tag of $499, reflecting its high-end performance and features. While it offers superior capabilities, it may not be the best choice for gamers on a tight budget. In conclusion, the choice between the XFX Speedster SWFT 210 Radeon RX 6600 and the GIGABYTE Radeon RX 7800 XT ultimately depends on your gaming needs and budget. If you're a budget gamer focused on 1080p performance, the RX 6600 is a solid choice. However, if you're looking for high-end performance at higher resolutions, the RX 7800 XT is worth the investment. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons and reviews.